Let's
All right.
now talk about our weather.
What do you got?
Well, tomorrow it's going to be nice, right? That's what I got.
Today was nice.
Well, I know, but like tomorrow.
64 today.
I know.
You think it was nice?
Well, it was a little windy out there. I thought
Yeah,
it was,
you're
I
right.
thought it was kind of chilly.
Yeah, if you're a kite surfer, kite surfing.
Easy for you to say.
That's twice.
I know. I know.
We just need to write that in prompter for you to
Some
say
things
over and
I
over
should
again.
put in prompter, like kite surfing.
Kite surfing. Okay.
It'll be fairly windy again tomorrow. The windiest day for us, Wednesday, Thursday, but yeah. So
Okay.
the storm out west, what we're talking about, Payne in California. One of my brothers lives out there, and he goes, in the last 10 days, I've had 3.5 inches of rain.
Oh, yeah.
Which
Yeah.
in Orange County, California,
Oh, yeah.
Lot.
is like a foot. It's crazy.
Right.
So anyway,
And so
but
you're
places-
tracking that
yeah,
system for
It's
us?
going to come right over us.
Okay.
But we're not going to get 3.5 inches of rain. We're just going to get some wind and maybe some storms of these. So anyway, talking about the month of January so far, there's our total. We're talking about tornadoes from last week. 5 goes down in the books. 5 tornadoes in eastern Oklahoma last week. The record was 4, and we have beat that. So here we go. 2023 starting out a bit on the active side. So La Nina, yep, we're going to go ahead and say maybe a little bit of that tied to that. The other problem is that the drought continues. These are lake levels, and these are feet below average, right? When you see the red numbers, those are below normal, and above average, you're in the green, and then the blues are just in 0 there. Average water levels right now, but much of the lakes, again, dropping and dropping even more. We need some rain in here, but remember, also on top of that, January is our driest month of the year. It's not August, it's not July, it's January. 48 degrees in Oklahoma City, part of our Lucky Star Skycam network. Looking at downtown, looks good. A northwest wind at only 6. Not much wind out there. Tonight looks great, but the wind will come back tomorrow, and it really comes back Wednesday and Thursday. We have 30s, we have 40s, we have 50s. 50 in Seminole to a 35 in El Reno. A little boundary moved in, some drier air coming in. We have 30s, we have 40s, we have 50s. And we have ISI hanging on to a 29. So light winds in the low-lying areas in the valleys. Temperatures have really dropped. Quiet for us, but see this? Pounding California now. That moves right down I-40, comes into Oklahoma for Wednesday night. We get a big warm-up. We get a lot of wind, but that's about it. And then we get cold air. As that moves by us, the cold air will come in behind it. There's another big storm behind that one, and the rain train just continues. I mean, they've had some places their yearly rainfall in just a few days. And this has been going on for about 2 weeks now, off and on. Snow in the Rockies, and boy, it's been good for the drought. We are putting a big, big dent in the drought, at least for many areas in the far west. Up top, here comes that storm. Comes out of California, slides in here Wednesday night, but the moisture is limited. These systems are coming through too fast. So what happens is the Gulf moisture tries to make it back, but it doesn't get back into all of Oklahoma. So eastern Oklahoma gets a little rain. Storm 2 does the same thing on Monday, slight chance of rain. End of next week, next Wednesday, we turn colder, upper storm. We might have a better chance of rain turning colder by then. All right, lows tonight, upper 20s, mid to upper 30s. A chilly night, coldest in the north, right? And then tomorrow, upper 60s, 70s in the west. Tomorrow's going to be fairly breezy to windy. Now, tomorrow, the fire danger is moderate to high, not crazy high tomorrow. And then here's your Wednesday, 60s and 70s. Again, more clouds. And on Wednesday, really windy, gust of 50 out west, extreme fire danger in the west. On Wednesday, could see a couple of showers Wednesday night, a few storms in the east. A few of those could be strong, possibly severe. 2 warm days ahead. We go to the 40s, and then we warm it back up for the weekend. The weekend looks good. Next week, big ups, big downs, maybe a shower or 2 on Monday, and then maybe Wednesday of next week.